Dear student, in this video lesson we will talk about future continuous tense. As we have already talked about future simple tense, now today we are talking about future continuous tense. What is future continuous tense and where we use future continuous tense? First of all, we need to understand the definition of future continuous tense. The future continuous tense, also known as future progressive tense, is used to talk about action which will be in progress at a time in the future. फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस हमारे पास वो टेंस है जिसमें हम उसी एक्शन के बारे में बात करते हैं जो हमारे साथ मुस्तकबिल में जारी हो. इसको हम फ्यूचर प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस भी कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही विल बी मीटिंग अस नेक्स्ट वीक. इट्स मीन दैट द एक्शन is not yet started. It will be happen in future and also continuous action. Future continuous tense indicate ongoing nature of an action meeting which will occur in future. ये हमारे पास वही एक्शन को ज़ाहिर करता है जो हमारे पास जारी हो. Here are some rules of future continuous tense. Helping verb will be or shall be are used in sentence. We use will be or shall be, we use as a helping verb. It is quite different from other. In our last tense, future simple tense, we talked about helping verb, so we have will or shall as a helping verb. Now in this tense, we just put be with will be or shall be. First form of verb plus ing is used as a main verb in sentence. As I already told you, whenever there is a continuous tense, so you have to put verb plus ing. First form of verb. Helping verb will is used with subject he, she, it, you, they and names. हमारे पास जब किसी प्रॉपर नाउन आ जाता है या नेम्स आ जाते हैं तो हम will का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. he, she, it, you. We use then will be. Whereas helping verb shall be is used with subject I and we. Shall be हमारे पास I और we के साथ ही यूज होगा. Now we have a structure of future continuous tense. Here are different structure of future continuous tense. To make correct sentence, it needs to understand structure of future continuous tense. It's obvious. टू मेक अ करेक्ट सेंटेंसेस, अगर आप करेक्ट सेंटेंस लिखना चाहोगे तो आपको इसका स्ट्रक्चर ज़रूर याद करना होगा कि हम कैसे लिखते हैं. Here are formula to make positive, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative type sentences of this tense. Positive sentences formula. How we make positive sentences? First we put subject, then helping verbs will be or shall be, then first form of verb plus ing and then object. I shall be playing football tomorrow. It's mean that the action is not yet happened, it will be happen in future and also a continuous action. You will be going to school tomorrow. Here you can see we use will be with you and shall be with I. Negative sentence formula. How we make a negative sentences? First we put subject, then will not be or shall not be, then first form of verb plus ing and then object. We just put not between this helping verb will and be. We just put not between will and be or shall and be. A negative sentence is not is used between helping verb, so it becomes will not be or shall not be. इसमें सिर्फ यही फ़र्क है. I shall not be playing football tomorrow. You will not be going to school tomorrow. So here we just put not between these two helping verbs. Okay. Now we have interrogative sentences formula. How we make question sentences, interrogative sentences. We use helping verb will or shall. हम जब भी इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते हैं या नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव हो या पॉजिटिव इंट्रोगेटिव, so we just put helping verb at the beginning, then we use subject, then helping verb be, first form of verb plus ing plus object. will और shall हम सबसे पहले आ जाएगा और helping verb be subject के बाद आएगा. In the interrogative sentences, helping verb will or shall is placed at the beginning of sentence and helping verb be comes after subject. Looks at these example. Shall I be playing football tomorrow? Shall is used as a helping verb. At the beginning, I be, then subject, then be. Playing, first form of verb plus ing, and then we have object. You will be going to school tomorrow. When will you be leaving for office? Sometime when there is a time reference, a location reference, such a kind of interrogative sentences, we put these words before the helping verb and we write it at the beginning. You can see here, when will you be leaving for office? The word what, where, when, how, etc. will be used before will or shall in such kind of interrogative sentences. Now we have interrogative negative sentences formula. How we make interrogative negative sentences? हेल्पिंग वर्ब विल और शल सब्जेक्ट नॉट बी. हम सब्जेक्ट के बाद नॉट बस जस्ट लगा लेते हैं एंड इट बिकम इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. हेल्पिंग वर्ब पहले आ जाता है विल और शल, then subject, then not plus be, first form of verb plus ing, and then object. In future progressive tense, interrogative negative sentences are just like interrogative affirmative sentences with only use of not after subject. We just put not after subject. It's just like इंट्रोगेटिव एफर्मेटिव. एफर्मेटिव वी कॉल्ड इट पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस. जो हमारे पास इंट्रोगेटिव पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस होते हैं उसको हम एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं. So the difference between interrogative sentences and interrogative negative sentences, we just put not after subject. Will these children not be making a noise? Why shall we not be reading old books? Here you can see why. So I told you such a kind of sentences, such kind of words come, we put it before the helping verb. Must put question mark in the end of interrogative and negative interrogative sentence. We have to put question mark at the beginning. Home assignment. I know our lecture is end up at this point. I am giving you a home task. What you have to do in your home: write the whole slides in your neat notebook, understand the lesson through video lesson, memorize the rules and structure of future continuous tense. You have to write this whole slides in your neat notebook और इसी ही लेक्चर से आपने इसको समझना है और आपने रूल्स और स्ट्रक्चर फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस के याद रखने हैं. Write at least 5 examples of positive, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative sentence of future continuous tense. You have to write at least 5 examples of these 5 kind of sentences, 4 kind of sentences. So lecture is end of. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.